A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for banana, C for cat, C for cake, D for dog, D for doll, E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish, F for flower, G for gate, G for goat, H for hat, H for hen. I for igloo, I for ice cream, J for jelly, J for juice, K for kite, K for key, L for lion, L for lemon, M for monkey, M for moon, N for net, N for nest, O for orange, O for orange, P for pig, P for pear, Q for queen, Q for quail, R for rabbit, R for rocket, S for strawberry, S for sun, T for tiger, T for turtle, U for umbrella, U for unicorn, V for van, V for violin, W for whale, W for wolf, X for x-ray, X for box, Y for yacht, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Now we know our ABCs, let's sing them loud and free.
A for arrow, I, B for baby, B for ball, ba, C for Kiddiz, C for cat, D for diamond, D for dog, E for egg, E for elephant, A, F for fish, F for frog, G for glasses, G for goat, H for hand, H for hat, I for ink, I for ice, E, J for jelly, J for jug, K for key, K for kite, L for lion, L for lamp, M for moon, M for mouse, N for needle, N for net, O for octopus, O for owl, P for pig, P for pen, Q for queen, Q for quail, R for rainbow, R for rubber, S for sun, S for socks, T for turtle, T for tap, U for umbrella, U for unicorn, V for violin, V for vegetable, W for whale, W for wolf, what, X for animal, X for x-ray, X, Y for yacht, Y for yarn, Z for zebra, Z for zips.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for car, vroom, let's go. D is for drum, bang it slow. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for guitar, strum so loud. H is for hat, wear it proud. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear it cry. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, for birds to sleep. O is for octopus, wiggly and fun. P is for penguin on the run. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging all night. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, sweet refrains. W is for whale splashing around. X is for Zalavar, making a sound. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. A, B, C, now we know. Sing it fast and sing it slow. A, B, C, we had some fun. Let's sing again, everyone. A, B, C, now we know. Sing it fast, then sing it slow.
Red, it's the color of a rose. It's the color of my clown's funny nose. Red is apples and strawberries too. Red is love, a heart that's true. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Blue, blue, it's the color of the sky. It's the color of my kite flying high. Blue is the ocean and blueberry sweet. Blue is the blanket when I sleep. Colors Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Yellow, yellow is the sun so bright, it's the color of the stars at night. Yellow is lemons and daffodils in spring, yellow is the joy that colors bring. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Green, green, it's the grass so tall, it's the color of the leaves in fall. Green is the peas and the frogs by the stream, green is the forest where we dream. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Purple, purple, it's the grapes we eat, it's the color of my comfy seat. Purple is violets and lavender fields, purple is the magic that heals. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Mix them up, see what you find. Colors make the world so kind. Rainbows, rainbows in the sky. Colors make us smile and sigh. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. A is for apple, so crunchy and sweet. B is for burger, a tasty treat to eat. C is for cake, with icing on top. D is for donut, let's never stop. E is for eggs, scrambled or fried. F is for french fries, crisp on the side. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for hot dog, a picnic scene. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, on bread, a slice. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and bright. L is for lollipop, a sugary delight. M is for muffin, blueberry. Wow! N is for noodles, twirled on a chain. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pizza, best in town. Q is for quiche, a savory pie. R is for raspberry, give it a try. S is for sandwich with cheese and ham. T is for taco, served with a slam. U is for upside down cake, sweet and tall. V is for vegetables, healthy for all. W is for watermelon, fresh and red. X is for exciting food before bed. Y is for yogurt, creamy and cool. Z is for zucchini, from the garden to the school. Now we've sung our food ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Wow!
A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, it bounces on the ground. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for drum, let's keep the beat. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who jumps along. G is for details, strum and sing. H is for hat, wear it like a king. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion, hear him roar high. M is for monkey swinging in the tree. N is for nest with the chirping family. O is for octopus with arms so free. P is for piano, play a melody. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rainbow shining all around. S is for sun bright in the sky. T is for train, choo choo as it goes by. U is for umbrella when it starts to rain. V is for violin, playing a lovely strain. W is for whale splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play a tune with me. Y is for yo-yo spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've learned our ABCs.
Next time won't you sing with me? ABC, we've sung along, learning letters with a fun little song. ABC, we've danced and played, singing the alphabet every day.